we move into 2023, it's important to think about ways to increase your income and reach your financial goals. We have been hearing that we are close to the biggest recession ever, and the best thing right now that you can do to protect yourself and your family is to start thinking about ways to make some extra income. And this is why in this video I'm gonna show you the 4 side hustles that not many people are talking about but have the potential to earn you up to $900 per day in 2023. And before we head to, I'm just gonna ask you one thing. If you watch until the end of this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'll be posting videos like this every week for you guys. Now let's start with the first one, virtual event planning. As virtual events become increasingly popular, especially after what we just have been through, these professionals are responsible for organizing and executing these events, such as webinars and virtual conferences. With the appropriate expertise and connections, virtual event planning can be a profitable side hustle. Now, the pros of it: cost-effective. Virtual events eliminate many of the expenses associated with the physical events, such as venue rental, travel, and lodging costs for participants. Accessibility: the events can be attended from anywhere in the world with an internet connection, making it easier for everyone to participate. Time saving: virtual eliminates travel time and attendees can participate from the comfortable of their own home or offices. The cons: technical issues. This type of events are 100% reliant on technology and can be affected by internet connectivity, technical difficulties, and equipment failure. The lack of personal interaction. Virtual events can lack the personal touch and network opportunities associated with physical events. Difficulty maintaining attention. So keeping the participants engaged and focused during the virtual event can be challenging, especially if the event is lengthy and not well organized. The side hustle number 2, we have e-commerce. E-commerce has merged as a popular side hustle in recent years thanks to platforms like Shopify and Amazon. Launching your online store has never been that easy. So by either specializing in a specific product or creating your own, you have the potential to generate substantial income through online sales. Now, the pros of e-commerce business: low startup costs. Starting an e-commerce business often requires less to none initial investment compared to a physical retail store. The flexibility: e-commerce business can be run from anywhere with an internet connection, allowing for a location freedom and work hours. Wider market reach: it has the potential to reach a much larger market compared to physical stores, as they can sell products to customers anywhere in the world. It's easy to scale. E-commerce can be easily scaled up or down depending on your demand, allowing for efficient resource allocation. But now the cons of e-commerce. Competition: e-commerce is a highly competitive market with many businesses competing for the same customer. Also, shipping and logistics can be a significant challenge for e-commerce, as they are responsible for getting the products to customers in a timely and cost-effective manner. Dependence on technology: as we all know, e-commerce businesses are relying on technology, and a failure in website, payment systems, or other key technology can greatly impact the operations. Next on the list, we have digital marketing. This year, the field of digital marketing is growing really fast and is a great side hustle for anyone with skills for social media and online advertising. As a digital marketer, you can help businesses and entrepreneurs to increase their online visibility and earn a substantial income in the process. You can even make this side hustle a full-time business. You can help businesses and entrepreneurs to increase their visibility and earn a substantial income in the process. The pros of digital marketing: it's cost-effective. Digital marketing often requires lower costs compared to traditional forms of marketing, such as TV or print advertising. Wider reach: digital marketing can reach a larger audience, including those who may not be reached through traditional marketing methods. Target advertising: this allows for highly targeted advertising campaigns, reaching a specific demographics and geographic locations. Measurable results: digital marketing provides access to real-time data and analytics, allowing business to measure the effectiveness effectiveness of their campaigns and make data-driven decisions, and also allows for a two-way communication with customers, allowing for increased engagement and customer feedback. Cons of digital marketing: the overwhelming competition. The digital marketing landscape is highly competitive, and just like for the e-commerce business, competing for the same customers, changes in technology and algorithms. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, with changes in the technology and algorithm affecting the effectiveness of the campaign. Ad fatigue: with so many digital ads being shown to customers, they can quickly become ignored, reducing the reach of the campaigns. Difficulty in standing out: with so many businesses using digital marketing, it can be challenging to stand out and differentiate yourself from the competition. And for the last side hustle, selling Notion templates. Notion is a popular all-in-one workspace that allows users to organize notes, tasks, projects, and databases in one place. By creating and selling templates for specific use cases such as project management and personal productivity, template creators can provide value to Notion users looking for a starting point for their own workspace. The business model for selling Notion templates involves in creating templates that can solve specific problems or meet specific needs for Notion users. These templates can be sold through online marketplaces such as Notion Template Market or directly through a creator's website. The pros of selling Notion templates includes high demand. Notion has a large and growing user base, which makes a high demand for templates that help the users make the most out of the tool. Low barrier to entry. Creating Notion templates does not require significant upfront investments or technical expertise, making it a low barrier opportunity. Flexible and scalable. The business model for selling Notion templates is flexible and can be scaled based on demand. This allows creators to grow their business on their own pace. Now the cons of selling Notion templates. The market for Notion templates is becoming increasingly crowded, making it more difficult for creators to stand out and attract customers. The dependence on Notion. Template businesses is largely dependent on the continued popularity and growth of Notion platform. This leaves really vulnerable for changes in the market. The learning curve. Creating high quality Notion templates requires a certain level of knowledge and experience with the tool, which will require time and effort to develop the necessary skills. So it's important to remember that starting any side hustle will take time, effort, and dedication. But with the right approach and willingness to learn, these side hustles has the potential to earn you $900 or more per day in 2023. Additionally, starting a side hustle will not only give you extra income, but also give you the sense of accomplishment and the possibility of turning into a full-time business. Always do your research, start small, and be consistent. See you in the next video.